Welcome to a very wet build day 30. Definitely an oatmeal with raisins breakfast day. So there's your breakfast of the day. Last night we made a lot of progress. I figured, great, I'm going to be ahead of the game today. It's going to be a miserable day. It is pouring rain, and it's supposed to be like this all day long. The one display I keep putting off this season, the Gypsy, is on the schedule for today. The majority of it is underneath a tree, which drips like crazy when it's raining like this. And it is also underneath the eaves of the house, which is shedding water like crazy. Hell, I might as well just go get into my swimsuit because I am going to be drenched today. But we're just getting, sorry, wonky there, I'm trying to avoid a drip. We're just getting out here today. Sue-Ann's already out here today, working over in the spider display, I do believe. I got to put a new SD card in the Attack Spider's brain box. I'm going to go do that now before she gets it cobwebbed in. And then we got to get the truck moved, the blow-ups on, what have you. We're over here. Everything is getting soaked. I'm not sure exactly what to do. I have to have lighting in here. So I will be working over here today in the rain. We got to get this lit up. And it looks like I've got a drip coming off the corner of the plywood that's over the bookcase. The bookcase is about the only thing dry in here. And it's going right down the poor Gypsy's back. Oh well, better her than me. But we've got to get that wired today. I have no choice in the matter. It's got to get wired. I've still got the sewer room to get finished. I got a speaker and I got to program the board, that sort of thing. Got to get that done. And then I've got the photo hall I got to get done too. Both displays, Gypsy and the photo hall, are out in the rain. I've got the blow-up problem I've got to go fix, which is going to be first on the list after I get the truck moved, that is. But she hasn't been into this display yet. I hear some movement over here, and there she is. I don't know how the hell she got clear in the back behind the jumper. And what?
I know, it's a rose, but
yeah.
I gotta go up.
Oh, there's no brain box in this one, so you're lucky that way. I came to put the new CD card in. But anyway, I gotta get in there before she starts doing her thing and get this SD card in.
Yeah, I just
so
had to start on the
here we go.
Worst one.
No, you think that's the worst one?
Yes.
Why is this the worst one? Would you elaborate for the people at home?
No footing.
That explains it. Plus you gotta duck in and out and get hooked and a little bit of comical footage for the vlog. Sue is having fun. She's been working on the jumper, and I'm not sure if that's really showing up. It will show up tonight, and she's still got the skeleton halves to do yet. I just got done doing the blow-ups. And I found one of my newer light bars down there that would handle everything. So I've got all that blow-ups fixed, the spider's blow-ups fixed, the two in the photo op, the one on the tent and the ponds are all hooked into two light bars. I mean, one light bar instead of two. So that problem's fixed. Now I gotta track down airlines. So this ought to be fun. Okay, water blaster taken care of, I think. I won't know until I test the circuit. Which I can't do until Sue-Ann's done with the spider because I got to plug in all the AC and I don't want anything jumping in and hitting her. Went back to the tank. I was going to trace the airline for that one water blaster that wasn't working. And it's best to start where it hooks it up to the air, which is the tank. And I know the tank was good because the jumping spider and attack spider were working yesterday just fine. And they come all off on the same tank. I got back there, found the hose for the air blaster that wasn't working. It was sitting in the socket it plugs into, but it wasn't plugged in. It was just sitting there. So it wasn't getting any air. Plugged it in, line charged right automatically. So now I need to turn on the water room circuit and hit the test button, make sure it's firing. And if I'm going to do that, I might as well plug in the AC as well and get the Scuba Boo board programmed. And I should note, while the Scuba Boo board is runs off a 12 volt, it's all powered by my power station here. One of the props, actually two of the props, the fogger and the zombie bait run off of AC. So I have to have their power on and them working in order to program the box, so you know the water blasters go off the right time, the fogger stays on for a certain length of time, and what have you. So I will do that when Sue Ann is done with her work, which will be later today. So far, we've gotten 3 things fixed. We've got the new SD card and the Attack Spider. We've got the blow-ups fixed and working. And we got the air done. All quick, fun projects. Now I get to really have fun. Rain or not, it's time to start the gypsy. Which means I've got a mess over here on the table I gotta get cleaned up. There's green and blue floods, and I got a tub of mixed up spots. And I've got to clean that table up and sort out some spots, or I ain't going to be hanging up any spots. So, sucks to be me right now because it's out in the rain. Man, you guys are getting lots of clips all close together. Aren't you lucky? Well, progress made of sorts, I guess. Sorry, I know I'm going dark. Should have started filming this once I got over there. But gypsy display is done. I'm just now setting up to start hanging lights in the photo hall. And Sue Ann called dinner. So I'll do down there where it's nice and bright. I just got my work light installed after dinner. But I wanted to show you this. It's all lit up. I do not have AC power yet. And I'll give you a better view of this later tonight with a good camera.
Must you stick your nose into my business? I'm trying to write a horrific novel, and you have just begun the tragic ending.
Anyway, while that's going off, the tea leaf reading station is going. You can see the flames in there going. That's all part of the Scuba Boo board. Now, the bell jar back there did not go off. I was going to tie that into the Scuba Boo board. And I fucked up majorly, and I know I just dropped the F-bomb. But that little thing right there, that is a 5-volt item. It does not take kindly to getting hooked up to 12 volts. I was back making the connections to hook up to the Scuba Boo board. Thought I grabbed the 5-volt line. And I was sitting there watching as I snipped the wire on. It gave one big flash and released a little bit of blue smoke. And I was like, oh shit, what did I just do? And I looked down and I started tracing my line, and it was a 12-volt line I was hooking it up to. So I blew the LEDs basically. Now, I'm not sure if I fried the little electronic board in there or not. So that is just a static piece for now, I guess. I was going to have it going off and running while the book was going, to draw people's attention over that was. Not now. And I'm not going down and buying the new one, not this year. But anyway, Gypsy's done. Sue Ann did get the spider done. We'll show you that tonight with a good camera. So we got 2 displays basically done today. After dinner, I'm going to start knocking out the photo hall. I want to get that and the mirror enclosure done. and we've got to get the blacklight room programmed, you know, and finishing touches on that. So I think I'm going to be out here extremely late tonight, the way it's looking. Okay, since you guys didn't get a nighttime walkthrough last night, you're going to get a full one. You're going to see some stuff you've already seen, and you're going to see some new stuff that you haven't seen. You like that? And the air whips aren't going overboard.
No.
Ah, Ouija board is working.
Get the leaves off of it though.
Yeah. And I forgot to turn off the porch light, so we're getting a glare from there. But everything seems to be working in here.
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot. That's one thing we've got to do.
Turn on the lamp.
Yeah. Well, we've got to come in here and turn on the big skull, which is battery operated. That's something I have not converted over yet. And the lamp here needs to be turned on. That's one thing I hate about that. It has to be physically turned on. Oh, hey, there is actual mist coming out the spout.
I'm trying to write a more epic novel.
Ah, there we go. Wonky camera angle. Does that look a little bit better the way I had the face turned on the mirror?
Yeah.
I think I need to put a spot in on this guy though.
You need something. It's awfully dark in this corner.
Yeah. I'll put a spot.
Oh, watch the cord.
Yeah, I warned you about the cord already. Well, I'll put a flood or something in there.
Yeah, with these here, you don't need any floods in this place.
Yeah.
Oh.
Watch your step, babe. And then we got the medallions here.
My pet,
Oh, there we go.
a bit melancholy.
I was just remembering how very happy we used to be, year after year after year.
And then we met.
Now the mirror, I need to get the Scooby-Doo board hooked up to it yet, get the speaker in here for it yet, and I gotta get hay. And then she's done. And that's a quickie.
Must I be on display like this, a mere skeleton of my previously ravishing present?
Your beauty is
Right in the face.
Yeah.
Oh, there it goes again. Why is it getting me in the face?
Okay, the feet are not moving. Oh, there they go.
Some of the web work is showing up real good and some of it's not.
Yeah,
But that's
this
what-
here isn't really showing.
That's fine.
And the spider light up here on the roof is not shining really down on the ground hardly at all. You can hardly see them.
Well, the spider webs might be interfering.
Yeah. Oh, it's awfully bright in here too.
Yeah.
But Sue Ann spent all day today in here webbing this place up, and I think she did a very, very good
You might
job.
want to take off a glue or something.
Yeah. I like the tunnel effect right through here though. And I think the
Flashlight is not on.
yeah, it's on. It's the one by the water wall that's not.
No, all of them aren't. The whole thing isn't.
Oh, that one's on.
But they're all on.
Yeah. Oh, look at zombie bait.
Yeah.
See, I've got to come in here and program him yet. He's not programmed. But the fogger's working. But this is as far as we went. I gotta go check and see what's wrong, because this should be on and working.
Yeah, it should.
Hey diddle diddle, the kitty and the fiddle. It's the end of the day wrap up, and it's after midnight. I'm just finishing out up here. We got our GFI outlet problem taken care of. When I did the electrical in the water room, I ran some of the power lines over, across the netting I put up on the ceiling. I forgot to check the water blasters. When I have one of them going off, and it was hitting one of the outlets, which was triggering the GFI. Water and electricity don't mix. So we got the outlet moved and got that one taken care of. It also poured rain today. Everything got drenched good, including us while we were trying to do our work out here. And we had taken in the mausoleum, we used some of that black landscaping fabric. It's not waterproof. I mean, it's a design, to put on the ground, you plant your plants, it, does weed control basically, but lets water pass through. We have a couple of outlets up on the top wall, and we had taken a scrap of that and wrapped it around some of the cords. Not thinking, we just used it as a, to help disguise some of the cords. And it got drenched today. It was like a sponge. And that was causing the other GFI outlet. So we got that taken care of. I've got to wait till tomorrow. Let things kind of drip dry overnight a little bit. And then I'm going to have to cellophane all the connections in there. And then we can rewrap it and it'll be fine. So that's taken care of. As far as this displays, we made very, very good progress today. Gypsy's done. Photo hall and mirror display. I just finished the mirror display, literally. Sue-Ann got the spider done, and you saw some nighttime footage on the good camera of that. I'm not sure how good, because me and Sue-Ann were talking while we were going through there. And after the mess with the GFI outlets, we were able to get the power to stay on. And I was able to get the Scooby-Doo board in the blacklight room program. So the blacklight room is done. The only display that we have not done anything in yet is the witch display. And the only thing that needs to be done in there is lighting. Or that, I should say, that's all that's getting done in there this year, is just the lighting. And that's going to be a couple-hour job tomorrow. We've got a lot of work. I've got the little wall that goes in there. Has to be put in tomorrow. I've got 4 lights altogether. The 2 that go on that wall and the 2 on this wall that need to be wired up and tied into its power. I've got the 5-foot panel that goes here. Needs to get put in tomorrow. And I need to redo the fabric on both it and the other one. And then there's just a lot of little miscellaneous little things. Oh, we gotta get the black plastic up on all the doorways. That's kind of a major project. The donation pumpkin needs to get carved and cleaned out and brought out and put up on its table. The skull pillar stanchions that we use for the rope line or queue line need to get put out. This bench I'm sitting on, it needs to get put out and decorated for the photo op. Just little things like that. Now, we do not open to the public tomorrow. We open on Friday. Today is, I was going to say today is Wednesday, but technically it's after midnight, so it's Thursday. But vlog time continue. I'm not even going to screw with it. I'm too damn tired. But we got VIP night on Thursday night, and it's only about an hour and a half long. So if the haunt's not really at 100%, it's okay. They come in to help us debug it anyway. So, you know, whatever I can't get done tomorrow before they get here, I'll definitely have done by the time we open at night, opening night. There's a good chance that we'll get the video up and going. I have not had a chance to mess with that at all yet. I took one projector out and, you know, out of its box and kind of looked at it. I haven't even plugged it in yet, so I'm not even sure about the adjustments or anything on it. The video I got from Atmosphere FX, they're still in their boxes. I haven't even taken those out. So, you know, like I said, tomorrow's just going to be a lot of little things, a lot of cleaning, a lot of fine tuning. And hopefully we'll get it done. I definitely have to get the lights up in the witch's display one way or the other, though. It's a little dark in there. So, but anyway, I'm going to let you guys go. Stay spooky. Stay toxic.